Hi guys, so in this video I'll show you how to install and configure the gut analysis toolbox. So the first thing I'll do is I will search for Fiji and download it. So just search Fiji or Fiji download, go to the ImageJ website, and in my case I have a Windows 10 operating system, so I want to download the 64-bit Fiji. So it is a fairly big download, so I would um, I would do this in a reasonably fast internet connection. So once we wait for that to download, then essentially what you do is you unzip it to a folder. So I have this folder in my C drive, so I'll just unzip it in here. So I just named it Clean Fiji because this is a Fiji version. This is not the one I generally use. So this is the one I use for testing. Alright, so it's done. I open it up, and all you need to do is just drag and unzip it or just drag and drop as well. So I can just drag and drop it to a directory, and I'll just wait for it to unzip. And this is where you'll have your Fiji, the Fiji executable, and where you'll have all your plugins and scripts. Everything will be within this folder. So now that's done, and if I go within this folder, you can see that this is the exe. You can also create a shortcut to your desktop if you want by right-clicking and say send to desktop, or you can pin it to your taskbar. Anything you want to do. For now, I'll just leave it here. So I'll double click. And generally, when the first time you download it, there will usually be a few updates. But in this case, what we'll do is I'll show you how to configure and install the gut analysis toolbox. So first thing, you get this window. So now you go to Help, Update, and this as is the first time starting up, you probably will get a few updates. Um, so I'm just gonna run with it even if it tells me that I need to restart it, just so you see how the whole process is. So for this, yeah, so in this case, it seems to be downloading the new version. And all right, so I'll have to restart Fiji in this case. So I'm just press OK, close, and let's just restart it. So look, this may or may not be the case for you, but look, for now, um, I'm just going with configuring it from scratch.